Hi there, welcome back to one of my Halloweens. Do you like my fireplace? It's one of the many things I bought for this year's Halloween haul that I'm about to show you guys. So once again, I gathered lots of objects. I went roaming through the stores, trying to find new things or things that I didn't have already. Yes, I'm a Halloween hoarder, I know. But well, it's my favorite time of the year, so I think I say this every single video, but who cares? I cannot believe it's so late in October. I mean, literally there's like 1 week left for Halloween or something like that, and I just decorated. So it's been a nightmare. So anyway, I have some new objects that I'm gonna show you guys. I'm also gonna show you how I decorated my house this year. I recycled many things from last year. Well, I actually always recycle the same things. I just try to find different ways to use them. In fact, I don't think I ever put the same thing in the same place. I just try to combine them and create new things, or just kind of put them in different places. So guys, if you like my hauls, please give me a like, subscribe, and follow me on social media, you know, the whole shebang. So I'm just gonna stop talking right now and just go on with the items that I'm gonna show you guys.
Okay, Halloweeners, let's get this show started. Item number 1 is a plastic pumpkin from Flying Tiger. It has a nice card face, a stem, and a button to light it up. I'll take that. It has a booklet type tag that says it has LED lights, but let's cut it out. There you go. It's not thick plastic, but it's nice and sturdy. And oh, it lights up inside. For the best results, use it in the dark. Next up, we have 2 plastic spider bowls in black and orange, also from Flying Tiger. These are not dishwasher safe, probably because they seem kind of delicate. Anyway, these are great for serving big pieces of food, such as bread, Rice Krispies treats, chocolate bars. You get the point. They have 8 cute legs, 2 tiny spiders, and a big spider in the middle, as you can see. These are also made of plastic. I would say it's kind of flimsy, but you gotta be careful with the legs, for sure. Ooh, mystery items, my favorite. I'm just kidding, I know what's inside. Here we have a glorious skull jar that you can drink from. It's made of clear glass and it includes a plastic straw that you can remove. The metal lid also comes off for your convenience. Overall, it's really cute and detailed, and the best part is that there isn't one, no, but 2 of these. And this one is black. Isn't that cool? This one has a darker straw, and the glass is still see-through. I think this makes the perfect set. Seriously, I mean, they are adorable. Well, spookily adorable. Looking for an easy costume? Just put on one of these bloody chokers and walk around like a nearly headless person. Awesome! This one is made of red silicone, and it features an adjustable metallic clasp on the back for easy wearing. I think it looks pretty realistic, almost like candy apple caramel dripping. Oh great, now I'm hungry. By the way, if you were wondering, no, it's not sticky at all. I guess it's not uncomfortable to wear, but in case it is, maybe you can just put on some baby powder around your neck and that way it doesn't feel itchy or anything. Seriously, baby powder will protect your skin from anything. These ones are basic and cute for a chick Halloween party. Each balloon costs $1, and you can spell whatever you like. Boo, spooky, eek, Frankenstein. Well, that's a little long, but anyway. They're aluminum foil balloons, and you can inflate them with this tiny tube. They are nicely sized, and you can hang them from the tiny holes on top. They also come in gold, and I've also seen pink and aqua, but I don't think those colors are very Halloweenish. Silver is fine, I would say. It's very chic. Here we have Mr. Greenbones, a plastic glow-in-the-dark 90 centimeters tall skeleton who's dying to meet you. I'll lend him a hand to get out. This is a cool feature. He is jointed. He's got 4 joints in his arms, 4 in his legs, and 1 in his neck, which makes him great for posing. He's such a superstar. Well, at least he's got potential. You can also hang him from his head. I love the details on his face, hands, torso, and feet. Just look at his spine. Plus, he's really tall. Very, very nice indeed. He can also dance. He can twirl. He can do gymnastics. He can do anything. Except for the fact that he's a plastic skeleton and he's an inanimate object. Did someone lose a finger? Or 10? These severed fingers are the perfect addition to any Halloweener's collection. I'd say they're life size, a bit bigger than mine maybe. Let's take a closer look. The fingernails are so realistic, and the bone and blood add a very gore touch to these. I'm not sure why the knuckles are painted black though. Is it supposed to be dirt? Anyway, if you want to scare someone out, maybe you should put some of these in food containers. That will be disgusting, creepy, and so fun. I think the song "I Feel It in My Fingers" has a whole new meaning with these. Now here's a bag of tiny skulls. Pygmy skulls, I guess. They're lightweight and made of plastic. I think these are great to use as decorations or as props for costume. There's 6 of them in this mesh bag. I'll pull one out to get a closer look. I just love how detailed these skulls are. You can see the eye sockets, the cracks, teeth, and nostrils so clearly, even though it's so small. Well, I mean, it's not miniature, but it is kind of small. And the jawbone is really cool too. Look at that. This butcher's hook attached to a chain is from a Chinese bazaar. I think it's meant to be used as a costume prop because it has this clasp to get the cuff on and off your wrist. So it's probably to dress up as a bloody butcher or like Jason or something. Don't remember who was the one who had a hook. Friday the 13th, I think. If this were made of metal, I reckon it'd be very sharp. It's quite pointy and it looks like someone already used it to, well, you know. Spooky Halloween fabric, aka cheesecloth, a staple for every decorator. I found this one in black, which looks great against white walls. This one's just like a thread mesh, and it's great for adding a subtle spooky touch to any home. Can you ever have enough Halloween tape? Nope, I don't think so. This year I found this yellow caution tape to add to my collection. It's 20 feet or 6 meters long, and it says, "Enter if you dare." I think the skull makes it even deadlier, don't you think? Need a dose of creepy creatures? We've got you covered. I found this pack of fake flies at the Halloween section of another Chinese bazaar. They're just like the big, clumsy, and icky flies that fly around in summer. Yuck! So there's 8 of them. They look pretty real to me. I mean, look at those wings and tiny legs. Ooh, they're the real deal. They're fantastic. This is gonna be a blast. I would think people would fall for it. These are not exactly Halloween props or decor, but these eyes are great to make any object creepy. They look pretty real, so try sticking them onto flowers, books, hats, and other objects to feel like someone or something is watching you. A simple black witch hat is basic, and I realized I didn't have any. They're great for costumes, yes, but they're also spooktacular to use as decor and to dress up any stuffed animals inhabiting your home. Some black house spiders are also great for decorating. This pack of 6 was only $1, and they have the perfect size to spook out all your guests. Bonus tip: stick them onto walls and mirrors for extra creepiness. Speaking about spiders, here's a cool duo. 2 striped like tarantulas in black and brown. I think the only thing that could have made them look more realistic is if they were covered in hair, maybe. Other than that, they're fabulous. Well, also the fact that they're hollow underneath, that kind of takes away from them, but I do feel like they look pretty realistic for a Halloween prop. I had never thought about buying Halloween balloons until I saw these. I think they're adorable. You can fill them up with helium for extra floating action, or you can just blow them up yourself. This one has a witch with her cauldron, some bats, and a curious ghost who wants to see what's cooking. I love the purple hue on the balloon. Look at it, it's so cute. This witch is adorable. I mean, hair goals. This other one is black as night with 3 fancy pumpkins and some bats that say Happy Halloween. By the way, these balloons are made of aluminum foil and can be hanged by the top hoops. I think they might be reusable. We're gonna have to try them out and then deflate them and see if they hold on till next year and if they inflate again. I'll tell you later. The last decor item is a wall poster in the shape of a haunted castle's fireplace. Ooh. This one came in 2 different fireplace designs, but I loved this one with a green fire because it reminds me of when Disney villains make an appearance. So epic. This one is from a Party and Halloween store, and it's 1 meter tall by 90 centimeters wide. The material is flimsy plastic, but I'm hoping it will be reusable despite it being so thin. We'll have to wait and see. It probably looks better over white walls since the plastic is kind of transparent. We're gonna have to try it out and see. Oh, I just love the green fire. Look at that face. Here's a preview of what it looks like over a dark surface. Now, on with the treats! I haven't forgotten about trick-or-treaters or candy eaters. These Halloween marshmallows from Lidl come in 2 shapes and colors, purplish ghosts and orange pumpkins. They're really soft and sweet. I think they're great for making s'mores, Halloween s'mores. Maybe we can put some Halloween chocolate and these marshmallows. That will be amazing. What else can you do with marshmallows? Do you have any ideas? Let us know in the comments section below. Next up, a personal favorite of mine, Halloween pasta. It's also from Lidl and it features pasta in 3 colors, black, orange, and yellow, and 3 designs as well, bats, spiders, and pumpkins. It's to die for. Got a sweet tooth? These 3 Halloween pops are made of chocolate! We have a dark chocolate bat, a white chocolate skull, and an orange dyed white chocolate pumpkin. The tiny orange bow makes them look extra adorable, don't you think? They're great for decorating, but you can always just eat them and buy some more. A great trick-or-treating candy is a handful of these milk chocolate balls, also from Lidl. They're wrapped in aluminum foil featuring pumpkins and eyeballs. I wish they were filled with caramel or something, like bonbons, but I've tried these before, actually last year, and I was pretty disappointed to see that they're not filled. I should have known, it says they're chocolate milk balls. Here's something to look at. I always have my eye out for these during October. I see you've caught my bad puns. Anyway, these gummy eyeballs filled with red berry syrup are spectacular. They're made by Trolley, and you can find them with a red, yellow, green, or blue iris. There's 4 assorted eyeballs in each bag. They're super delicious too. They have the texture of a real eyeball, maybe a little bit softer, maybe a little bit more chewy, but they're amazing. You can fool anyone. This was a new and interesting finding this year. It's a bottle of Tyra's pumpkin beer. It's not exactly made out of fermented pumpkin though. I believe it's just like beer with a bit of pumpkin artificial flavoring added. The bottle is really cool. I love the metallic orange details on it. And finally, we have a big bag of assorted Halloween candy. It's all gummies of different types. I think it has like 10 individual bags with gummies, which are great to give to trick-or-treaters or to treat yourself. There's some gummy skulls in white and purple, jack-o'-lanterns in orange and white, multicolored spiders with sugar, and some red and white bones. We're officially done. Once again, it was a pleasure showing you this year's Halloween haul. I hope it gave you some ideas about cool Halloween decor. Thank you so much for watching. See you next year!
Don't forget to follow and tag us at Joyfully TV on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. Also, subscribe to our channel if you want to see more Halloween hauls.